To make a video here on Jasmy Coin today, as I've been covering Jasmy now. Again, I don't know how long it's been. I think my first video on Jasmy may have been close to a year and a half, maybe even 2 years ago, back when it was at close to an all-time high here. But I remain extremely bullish on Jasmy. Again, I'm going to continue with these videos maybe once, twice, or maybe even 3 times a week, just to share information, resources with you guys, and kind of how I'm feeling, where I'm at with Jasmy. Full disclosure, I am extremely bullish on Jasmy. And this is a cryptocurrency project that I continue to DCA in. Full transparency, again, I'm holding well over 1 million Jasmy. So, I'm really banking here on Jasmy to really do well in the next bull market. Again, that is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, you guys. Just talking about my opinions here for educational, entertainment purposes only. But again, like I continue to do with every Jasmy video, I'm just going to go over a series of tweets here that I think find and give value and resourceful information to everyone here. 53,000 holders now for Jasmy, which you do love to see here, in my opinion. Honestly, we continue to see the holders grow for Jasmy. We continue to see a massive amount of interest online on Twitter. And things like that. People, even a lot of YouTubers now in the crypto space are covering Jasmy Coin, which is what you do like to see, just creating more awareness for this project, the Bitcoin of Japan. So let's just not waste any time, you guys. Again, I am bullish on Jasmy. I'm holding Jasmy, full transparency with everybody. Take a look at the last 7 days, though. I do think, again, it continues to be a great entry point here at 003. Again, we're looking at, like, if we take a look at the last year, all right, we're still low for the year, right? We're still at an entry point here. Obviously, if you got in at the end of December or at the end of last year, when it's at 002, which is the low for the last 365. But again, the all-time here, we saw Jasmy $2 back in March of 2021. So we know where Jasmy was, and we know that the price has been pretty, similar, give or take a few point or half a cent and things like that. Over the last year or so. But let's get into this update here. I wanted to go over a series of tweets. So Jasmy circulating supply update. This is from Dip Metaverse on Twitter. Go ahead and follow me, by the way, at BGSNOY. Jasmy circulating supply update. 40 million tokens from the deployer were added to the circulating supply 30 minutes ago. Circulating supply is at, I think this is 48 trillion, I believe. No, this is 48 billion, sorry. 97.24% of the total supply. There's 1.38 billion left in the deployer wallet. So again, we've been talking about on Jasmy on this channel for a while now about the Q4 lockup of a certain amount, a specific amount, or I guess an amount of Jasmy that Jasmy is going to lock up in Q4, right? It's been speculation. A lot of people say it's happening, and then there's also the fudders who say it's not happening. But again, that is something that is a very bullish catalyst, and a catalyst that is going to be coming up very soon, as we already in Q3 of this year. And that's when Q4 is going to happen. So we could see a massive type of candle on the chart sometime in Q4, in my opinion. But obviously, Jasmy has always been a long-term play. We're talking 2025, 2026 as like ideal bull run prices that I see Jasmy reaching. Getting into this here, Japan's Bitcoin, Japanese government relaxing regulations on all crypto investments in the coming months to stimulate market growth. In the coming months to years, expect a surge of new investors, especially in the Web3 space. Japanese government is pushing for relaxed trading margins, track new investors with the Japan Virtual and Crypto Assets Exchange Association, known as the JVCEA, urging authorities to increase their leverage limits for retail investors in order to bolster market growth. I think this definitely helps Jasmy here, in my opinion, obviously being one of those cryptos that is at the forefront of establishing itself in Japan. Obviously, it's known and being called in the crypto space as Japan's Bitcoin, or the Bitcoin of Japan. So if this happens, right, and there's more relaxing government regulations in regards to crypto in Japan, I think this just helps Jasmy that much more. Also, I want to talk about this here tweet. Jasmy, always do your own research to make your own decision. Mind-blowing. Ex-Sony officers are now involved with Jasmy, are fully doxxed. Never seen anything like this before. Out of all the tokens I've researched, high caliber profile individuals in regards to past employment, education, and objectives. Legit reduce mutta. I guess here's Kunitake Ando, who we talked about, former president of Sony Corporation. You guys, debatably one of the biggest tech companies in the world ever. Sato, Hiroshi Harada, right, otherwise known as Hara, CFO, right? These guys are fully doxxed. Keep that in mind, you guys. These guys are fully doxxed. These guys have had high-ranking positions at huge, massive companies in Japan, right? I've talked about it numerous times on the channel. I'm not going to go too deep into it. You guys know the deal, but they are fully doxxed. So, I mean, that should come as no surprise to anyone that they're fully doxxed. And then here, Jasmy case study on Jasmy stablecoin. Only serious rabbit hole divers allowed. Never trust you in research and deep dive. The dots, Hiroshi Harada, otherwise known as Hara CFO. Explanation of Jasmy services, right? Jasmy looking to become a stablecoin, right? If Jasmy can become some sort of a stablecoin or have a subcoin within the ecosystem that becomes some sort of a stablecoin, the sky is truly the limit, you guys, for Jasmy here, in my opinion. I'm just making these bullish videos because I am bullish. You don't have to be bullish. I would suggest doing your own research. But let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Jasmy. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.